What is up, my sweet balls? I am eating teriyaki tofu,
lemon, zesty, broccoli, sauteed mushrooms and onion in a Worcestershire soy sauce mixture.
Alright, this is totally blocking my light. That's the downside. Y'all like, we don't care, get to the damn tutorial. Well, I'm not. I'm gonna sit here and eat. Just kidding, this is a mukbang. Mukbang, or whatever those are called. Alright, I'm gonna stop fooling around and get into the video. So this is going to be a super chill, just an old school haul, but instead of me just showing you like the box and just talking about what I got, I'm actually gonna test it out on my face. It is nighttime, so I can't like wear these products all night / day or whatever and give you a wear test or anything. So I guess it's more of a first impression type dealio, so I thought y'all would appreciate that a little bit more. And then the other, since I don't have a full face of products because I didn't get that many products, obviously, I only got a couple. So I'm just going to speed through those parts since the video is not really focused on that. It's not a full makeup tutorial. It's just focused on these new products that I got that I'm really excited to test out, and they are from ULTA and they are cruelty free. I would say some of the best brands, some of the best products, and I think a lot of people can stand by that once you see what they are. So yeah, let's get into this. Well, I know I look different than I did a millisecond ago, and that's because it is me, Allison, from the future. I went to go edit my footage for this video and I realized that an entire clip got deleted, so I'm going to refilm it today and just stick it on in. So what you missed was me talking about this product right here. It's called Sphinx and it is cruelty-free and vegan, obviously. That's why it's in this video, and I just thought it was really worth giving them a shout out because they did reach out to me and they sent this to me, but I think it's a really neat and a really good idea. It is a portable razor, which is just genius because I know that you have been in that situation where you're on a date or like, I don't know, in some kind of situation and you feel the back of your leg and you're like, this actually happened to me like literally 2 days ago. I went out to the club and I had shaved really quickly beforehand and I shaved everything except the left thigh, like the entire thigh. I just completely just forgot about it. So obviously this isn't tragic and we've all been there and gotten through it, but it would have been handy in that situation to have this in my purse. I mean, you could just easily store this in your purse or your car if you want, and then you just have a razor on the go. Look how tiny this is. It is carry-on friendly. It comes with 2 razors, a little pre-shaved bar, and a water bottle, a tiny little water bottle. It's so cute. I have to show you right now because I quite literally died when I saw it. Super cute and compact. You open up the top and here's your little spray bottle. Oh my god. Isn't this the cutest? Like, oh my god. And then you just turn the little dial here on the front and you have your razor, your second razor, and your little shave bar. Isn't that so cute? I think it's pretty genius, so thank you Sphinx for sending this to me to try out. This is now available at ULTA and their Instagram is shopsphinx. So that's it. I will let you get back to Allison from the past. Future Allison is out. Back to your scheduled programming. So I just primed my face and now I'm going in with the next product. This is the Total Control Drop Foundation. I'm sure this is nothing new to most of you. I have not ever tried it. I've seen it floating around and it became really popular. I know a lot of people really liked it because it was like a liquidy full coverage foundation. Like, what? This is not going to match me at all. Freaking bongos. I'm pretty sure you can mix these in with other foundations. I mean, if I want to test this out, obviously that is what I'm going to have to do. I really wanted to test it out on its own, but I'm stupid and I got the wrong shade. Well, I'm usually this shade. Alrighty, so we're going to get another foundation that is sold at ULTA, and I'm going to get a super dark one so I can mix. Ooh, that's a good idea. So I'm going to get a super dark one and then mix most of it with this so I can still kind of see that it's most of this working. Is that? Okay, whatever. I'm just gonna go with the Tarte Amazonian Clay full coverage. So should I use a full coverage though? Oh well. I'm gonna have to, because this is the darkest shade that I have right now. Okay, so let's try this. Should I mix this in? Oh, I wanted to like drip it on my face like everybody else. Alright, so we're just mixing this up here. This is kind of fun. Okay, so now it's way too dark, which is good. That's what we want. Okay, it's not way too dark. So we're going for another 2 drops. Mixy, mixy. Arts and crafts times, kids. A little lighter. 2 more drops. Alrighty, kids. I'm just going to put this concoction all over me face and then blend it out. Oh, okay, first off, first impression, this looks amazing. Like, this is blending out, like, so good.
Do not automatically stop recording on me, please.
My camera just stopped recording on me. But I caught it in time. Right in time, actually. Didn't miss a single beat. No, I'm not drunk or high in this video, I promise. Did she confirm? Or didn't she? Ugh, it is just so good right now. It is just treating me really well. It is really doing my good. So I'm gonna zoom you in now. So that's how it's looking. I still have like a sheen, sort of. It's like semi-matte, is that what it says? So next up I have Smashbox. This is the Studio Skin 24-hour waterproof concealer. Oh, this is so light as well. Oh, I definitely planned this video for when I didn't have like some color. This is way too light, so what I'm gonna have to do is mix it with something argan. Let's see, I think that will work. So I'm just going to put some on the back of my hand. Again, I washed off the foundation, obviously.
Together we can spark a flame and freeze the world to numb the pain.
Taking the same brush and blending that out. But for my eyes, I'm gonna go in with my beauty blender, and it is dry as hell, so I'm going to spray it with some Smashbox primer water, which I love. And then I'm gonna actually add a little bit more of the Studio Skin over here and go to town.
Hope it's not a grand delusion. So keep me in this state of mind. Tell me that it's real life. 'Cause with you I'm superhuman,
Now my camera's dying after the card just filled up. This is going great. Oh my god. So much time has passed between the last millisecond that you saw me. So what I'm doing now is I went ahead and did this eye because, like I said, my camera battery died, so I had to let it charge. And I was like, well, while I'm waiting, I might as well just figure out what I'm doing. So this is what I came up with. I haven't put the star of the show on the lid yet. I'm waiting. Okay, so second star of the show, I guess, is my girl, Melissa Michelle. It's her collaboration with ULTA. This is such a beautiful palette. I'm taking the shade Tobo on a fluffy brush, and I'm just going to go ahead and run that through my upper crease area. This is, of course, going to be our transition shade. I'm just going to take a little powder puffy thing and just kind of clean up the edge right there. Okay, now I'm going to take Rosemary, which is right here, and I'm going to put that like right here. So not in the crease, because my crease is right here, not up here, because that's where we put the first color, and then this is brow bone color. Did you get that? Brow bone, upper crease, crease, lid. So I'm going right here, because we're going to be covering up our actual crease with other stuff. Very professional terms, Alison. Now I'm going to grab a little bit of NYX eyeshadow base, and I'm going to apply that on the outer half and kind of blend that out into the crease. We just want it to be nice and smoky, so I'm just gonna do something like this. Ah! I fucked up. Then I'm going back with the original fluffy brush, this one with a little bit more rosemary on it, and I'm going to blend that out because it needs a little bit of help.
Everything is new in love.
Really going heavy with the rosemary on my fluffy brush in the upper crease area. We want that part to look super blended. So now I'm going in with Harley. And this is your dark matte brown. Super important in any palette. Before I move on, it's just kind of getting like a little bit messy over here. So I'm going to take like a flat brush and go in with Wheezy, which is your highlight brow bone shade. And I'm obviously going to go in the brow bone. So now we're going to put a little bit of Alana. Oh, it's so sweet. So we're gonna use Alana. It's like a shimmery, deep plum purple. It's gorgeous. And I like to use one that is kind of angled and tapered, so I can really pack that on there, because that's how I just like to do it. Good explanation. Okay, so I am gonna place this here just so I don't risk getting fallout. And I'm basically just gonna pack that all over where we put everything else that was dark. Once again, great explanation. So now I'm taking a little bit of Lola, which is right here. I'm going to pop that in the inner corner. Ooh, it's so pretty. I'm also going to highlight my brow bone with Dot. Just the very tip. I'm not gonna bring it anywhere down there or in here. Just right here. Now for the start of the show, I'm so pumped to use this because this has been hyped all over. This is the Stila, what are these even called? Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow. This is in Kitten Karma. It looks like this. Oh my god. Wow. Yeah, these are just as pretty as they look online. Ugh, okay, so I gotta get close for this. I don't wanna fuck up. Okay, so I'm just gonna go like this. Oh my god. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, so now I remember they said that these kind of work fast. So I'm just gonna grab one of these guys and kind of pull this shit outward, because I don't want it to be a cut crease. Wow, these like actually are that easy to use and amazing. I've never seen anything this pretty in my life. Wow, they like nailed these.
Hope it's not a grand delusion.
I am very satisfied with that so far. I don't know about you guys, but I'm gonna move on to the lower lash line. I'm gonna take Harley and I'm going to smudge out my lower lash line. Then I want to take Rosemary and a little bit of Bing Bing and blend that out even more. So moving back onto the face, since I do have this with me, I am just going to use that. So I'm going to bronze up with a little bit of Mahal. Hope I'm saying that right. See, I feel like that can really be used for like bronzer and blush, which I love those shades. I mean, it kind of is a little pinky, so maybe I just want to stick to it being a blush, but we are going for it today. I am going to grab the Smashbox contour palette though and use this one really quick just in my hollows so I can get more of a, you know, defined cheekbone. Nice, nice. Now I'm going to blend with the Duo Fiber from NYX. Now I'm going to go in with the highlighter called Holler, and I'm going to pop that on me cheekbones and other places.
When it's just you and me, I'm falling on my knees.
I mean, it's not like the most amazing highlighter I've ever seen in my life, but it's actually really pretty. It's super smooth, like it's not chunky at all. Ooh, no, this is actually really pretty. I changed my mind. I actually really like this. Ooh, I'm just kind of focusing on the middle part right here, and that's where I'm getting the most kind of payoff. Put it above my forehead. Yeah, I like that a lot. For lips, I'm going to line with NYX's Intimidate pencil. Looks like this. It's just a nude pencil. For lips, I did want to use the Ulta Beauty Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Scandy, and this is in Melissa's palette, but I think actually, okay, so I'm going to use both, because I also got an Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Lipstick, because they are my favorite formula, favorite liquid lipstick, and they're cruelty-free, so that is the most important part. So I'm actually going to do both. I'm going to put this one first. Wow, that matches my lip liner like really great. And then on top of that, I'm gonna put Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Lipstick in the shade Stripped. Oh, I love that color. Oh my god. This is my new favorite nude. I already know. Pure Hollywood is my favorite right now. Like, it has been for a while, but I think this just did it for me.
'Cause with you I'm
so that was my last makeup item that I got from Ulta, and that does complete this makeup look. I am obsessed with it. I think it's a perfect like holiday look. That is the end of this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it and liked getting ready with me. I really like how this look turned out. It's super neutral, but like party and holiday, and yeah. The rest of the products that I use will be listed in the down bar. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. I love you guys. I will talk to you guys later, and yeah. Bye.
It's just to see if I can still bleed. 'Cause with you I'm superhuman. Hope it's not a
also blending out really it's also blending.
Hi.
Ah! Did I not lock my door? Oh, you have my keys. Ah! Whoa. Unladylike, sorry. What does that even mean, unladylike? Why can't we burp? Why can only men burp? You're right. You're right. Stupid cheer. Stupid cheer. Who put that chair there?